Hello Facebook ads people, did you miss me? No, you don't. So today's topic, learning phase, okay? I have a lot of questions about the learning phase and to be honest with you, you should not be worried so much about learning phase. Let's discuss a little bit about theory first. So, learning phase. What does Facebook say? When you are launching one campaign and you are having several ad sets, within your ad sets, there is a learning phase. Facebook is saying that it needs some data in order to complete the learning phase and then give you stable results. Now, the theory says, in order for you to get past the learning phase, you need to have 50 conversion events. For example, if you're doing a conversion campaign ad and you're having a purchase event as your conversion event, you need to have 50 sales in your attribution window set, okay? Now, one of you in a previous video told me that I don't put pre-screens from stuff and he couldn't find the language. Sometimes people like me that we do Facebook ads all the day, we get carried away, but keep in your mind that whatever you want to ask, I'm answering super fast on the comments on the YouTube sections. If you cannot find it, let me tell you how to do it. I'm going to say where they are. So in the ad set level, in the top, you will find your conversion event that you can put. Is it going to be add to cart? Is it going to be checkout? Whatever. And at the bottom of the ad set, you are going to find also by pressing the show more option, the attribution setting, which you can set to 7 days, 1 day click. This is the best option. We have another video about the attribution. I'm going to put it in the link in the description. So now that we go over that, let's discuss about the 50 events. So 50 events in the attribution setting. So 7 days, 1 day view, 7 days click, 1 day view. It means that you need to have 50 purchases if your conversion event is purchases for this time window. Question: how much money you should spend in order to get that? The answer is a lot, okay? And if you think of one campaign that's having several ad sets in it, in order for you to have 50 sales in each one of your ad sets, in order to get past the learning phase, well, this is a problematic situation, and I can tell you that in several accounts that I'm managing, even with big budgets daily, I'm not even getting past the learning phase. Maybe in some super winner ad sets, I'm passing the learning phase. So don't worry so much about it. You should worry about the results that you are having, okay? It's impossible for all the accounts to get past the learning phase and have 50 events with the budgets that we see like 3K per month or 5 or 10K per month. It's not going to happen. So what you should do is that you should focus in your return on ad spend, in your cost per lead, whatever is defining if your campaigns are successful or not. Let's discuss a little bit the possibility that you are getting out of the learning phase. The difference is not huge, okay? I have seen campaigns that they are still in learning phase or maybe limited learning, which is something that shouldn't worry you as long as you are having good results, and they have very good results. I have seen campaigns that they are out of the learning phase and they are optimized, and to tell you the truth, I have seen no differences also. They optimize for a period, they have some good results, and then boom, maybe they are just going to die like every other normal campaign that is not out of the learning phase or ad set is going to die. So don't worry so much about it. I'd like to cover a little bit the theory and the way of thinking for the algorithm about the learning phase, but at the end of the day, you should care only about the return on ad spend that you are getting, the cost per purchase that you are getting, the cost per lead, whatever is going to define if your campaign is successful or not. And don't be obsessed with that, because some people are obsessed with it. And at the end of the day, let me tell you that there are campaigns that, there are accounts that they are spending such a small amount of money that you will never go out of the learning phase. I hope that this covers everything about the learning phase. Don't worry so much about it. Don't make it such a big deal. A very interesting topic to discuss, but not so important, okay? It's like the frequency. So I will see you in a future video. Thank you very much for watching the content. Press the like button if you liked it, and I will see you soon.